Let's get it. This Christmas, never lost time in. Come on! Oh man, JP up in. That was unbelievable. I'm talking about.
Amazing.
Wow. I mean, you can find this guy at JAYPEELE on Instagram, and you can hear this. You can get you out there and hire this guy to do some business. Man, this is unbelievable. And we playing a song, man. I'm like, wow. He'll be live in the studio. That's kind of cool, man.
Look, I feel like Jimmy Kimmel. We got our own band.
You were so humble. You were like, we'll see how it comes on the big spot. That is so good.
Hit that one note, you just jumped all over it, man.
One of these. Let's see if this old thing works.
I'll put something together.
Let's see if we can get this old thing to work. I get some kind of noise to come out of it.
That's it. Man, we are rocking. Just trying to get you in the spirit, the sports show. This is how we do it. We do it a little differently. And of course, JP is hanging out with us, man. We got another one we're going to put down right now. He don't know what it's going to be. We don't either.
I mean, we got three choices. That's one of three. So now we down to 2 of 3.
Process of elimination. Starting to figure out which one you can put.
So you got an idea.
The 50%. You know what I'm saying?
We're going to be all right.
got that math degree, so I'm
because you used to teach at a school. I
did. I used to teach at a small university.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So now he's talented musically. He's smart too. That's what's up, man.
And for people who are just chiming in, what are your social handles where people can follow you?
So Instagram is JPeele, JAYPEELE. Facebook is Facebook.com/JP on Sax.
All right.
JP.
That's okay.
JP on Sax.
They can find everything on Instagram though.
There you go.
And it's a public profile, so you ain't got to worry about it. Follow me to stalk me.
Let's get it. Next one.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. JP, I don't know. Sometimes you can say Christmas music, but then it's got some other kind of music, man. You know what I'm saying? Got the lights turned down low.
Right, get some dimmers in this joint.
Oh, we got that.
That could be arranged.
That is right there. Oh, this will be better. This will be better right here.
Man, where my bottle?
Yeah, we get the bottle, man. Where's your margarita at, Jack?
Right. There's a bag right here with it in there.
Oh, yeah, this is perfect right here. Get your eggnog together and your brown liquor.
I know what you're talking about.
Oh, it's perfect. Oh, this is so nice. Keep it down low, man. Keep it down low. Play the song, JP.
What's Hayes Permar doing?
He has binoculars over there. Play the song, boy. The lights are perfect, though. This is how you close out the year like this, baby. The decade. Wow. Oh, wow. Let it slow now. Come on with it. Jay Peele showing us his talent and his love right here on the Sports Shop. Wow. Where'd it go, man? You better play that song. All right.
You have any final thoughts
Well, you know what?
as we
transition.
wind out? That was great.
That was unbelievable.
That was a great song.
And we're going to kick off from that song right now because we're going to bring it down a little bit because we're going to share. We have a few minutes left on the show, and I want everybody to kind of chime in on this. So, Mike, let's go ahead and get it going. Bring it down a little bit, and we're going to rock with it. Let's go. Okay, MCs, I'm going to start off with you on this one. Final thoughts for the decade, for the year.
What jumps off of the year for you?
Yeah, there you go. Thank you, Jazz.
Well, what jumps off for me is our partnership with Alsco Linen and Uniform Rental Services.
Oh, wow.
And one of the byproducts was us getting to go to Charlotte Motor Speedway for the race, the NASCAR races there this weekend. And a highlight for me is just reaching 5 years with Capital Broadcasting Company, working with you guys, getting to do the Checkered Flag podcast this past year.
Oh, yeah.
Getting to interview so many great NASCAR drivers, and I'm just so thankful that I get to come to work here with you guys every single morning.
Yeah. I'm going to intern Alan right quick, chime in real quick, and we're going to show some love to it. Intern Alan, what you got going on, man? Just your thoughts.
This past decade's been through some ups and downs, but in July, pretty much my life was changed forever when Earl Reese gave me an opportunity to
Thank you.
follow my dream, and K-Mac as well, and Jasmine for kind of helping me, and MC, me and him, kind of the combo back there, and just thankful for you guys and what the future holds, and this is absolutely awesome.
Totally awesome. Jay Fritz, what you got?
Ooh, all right. Over the last year, just great stuff. Professionally growing. I got to go to the national championship. That was a really awesome opportunity. Covering the ACC, this area. This is home, and so it just means a lot to me to work in this this market. So yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, very much so. Matt, what you got?
Honestly, I get a chance to reflect on closing out this last decade.
Yeah.
This decade has afforded me a lot, has given me a lot, has changed my life quite a bit.
Yep.
Been doing this show for 8 years now. We've been working on things for 8+ years now. We've been at highs of the highs, my friend.
That's true.
Trust me when I tell you, we've been in some big rooms.
Yeah, that's true.
But then again, I get a chance to reflect also this week, 21 years ago, my life changed forever.
Wow.
My daughter was born.
Aw.
Okay.
3 pounds 12 ounces of Leah Antoinette McClendon. And,
Okay.
And I can honestly tell you, she's probably been one of the brightest spots in my life outside of my youngest daughter.
Wow.
And she turns 21 this week.
Oh, congratulations,
Oh,
Dad.
nice.
So I'm looking forward to seeing her. I'm looking forward to spending some time with her as well. I'm proud of all of them.
Yeah.
Just like I'm proud of all of us in here.
Yeah.
And I want to say something special to you, my friend.
Yeah.
I'm going to be honest with you. I never thought 8-10 years ago we'd be sitting here doing what we're doing right now. And all of the trials and tribulations that we've had, I appreciate you. I love you. And everything that you've meant for me in my life. Appreciate you, brother.
Oh man, I gotta follow that. But
That's
you
what
know,
we do.
I would have started by saying he's right. In this decade, we started something 8 years ago, and didn't think it was gonna even come off to something like this. But hey, look where we are. Also, in this decade, we're talking about kids. My oldest daughter went through a challenge. She came out big time with it, doing well. And also, just bringing in new talent that we have with Jasmine showing up and Candace Cooper back in the day and the research and everybody just bringing people to the table and all of the people that contribute to the show.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone that contributes to the show is very, very important to us. And I'm just so proud to call my colleague here my friend. Because it says Reese K-Mac, and it's just like that. We're joined at the hip, and we continue to move forward. MCs is the best to ever do it, and I'm just blessed to have this family. Jasmine is unbelievable talent, and we're just gonna rock and roll, and just appreciate all our listeners, everybody that supports the show. And if you played a small part or a large part. And last but not least, let me not mention everything everybody did for my family back in March when I had a tragedy in Alabama. I can't go without saying that. But so, shout out, let's raise our hands and glass for J. Peele as well. I mean,
Yes,
for
this is
just
amazing.
amazing work, man. This is what we do. And it's kind of cool to be part of it.